What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Got this beautiful bike here, the Aprilia RSV4, bro. Damn, but I really own this bike, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get some TikTok, Instagram shorts, clips, or whatever you want to call them, little short videos, and I'll be right back, bro. Let's not disturb the peace. Let's get up out of y'all. Actually, I want to get a couple with the bike on too. Today I'm going to talk about how you get what you deserve. Everything in your life, bro, this is so lonely right here. Everything in your life is your fault, whether good or bad. And if you're able to adopt this mindset, you can really turn things around for yourself, I believe. Because I feel like, damn, what? When you take accountability for your own actions, whether they do harm to you or not, you kind of understand what it's like to live in a good mind frame and try to make your life better for yourself, I feel. If you're able to take accountability and what are you doing, Usa? Man, bro, that thing sounds kind of good though. I never seen that guy before. What the hell? Where'd he come from? As I was saying before, if you're able to if you're able to take accountability for your actions, understand that everything that happens to you is your fault. That's kind of what I feel is important in life. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's some things that happen to you that you literally cannot control at all. There's nothing you can do about it. Like, bro, for instance, if this Tesla in front of me was to slam on their brakes, I can't control that. But what I can control is me being ready or not to slam on my brakes, move out the way, do what I need to do so that I don't end up all messed up. Something you do to make your life worse. And you gotta choose wisely. You gotta make sure that you're doing the right things. Whoever you believe in up there is always watching. And no one's coming to make your life better besides yourself, bro. Like, that's it. You know? I will ride around a little bit longer for the video. But look at that sunset, bro. You gotta enjoy life, bro. Can't get much better than this, bro. We got a RC4, W sunset. What can you hate about life, bro? can't even speak right, bro. Gotta pull in the clutch on the slow ass turn. A screamer. A screamer? Bro, I'm not British. How did I already go to 60 miles per hour, bro? Like, what the fuck? How is that even possible? I don't even get that, bro. I don't even get that, bro. Someone got pulled over. Lurking up there, bro. Who did he even pull over? No one's in front of him. I don't know. Oh, that guy. Bro, I just got off the highway. I wonder if they can hear me from across the highway, bro. This is where I just got off the highway at. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, the cops here are hella chill. Like, I'll be honest, bro. I haven't been fucked with yet. Alright, I'm gonna end off the video again. I'm gonna go down here and then I'm gonna end off the video. Alki just did a little circle to make it longer, but didn't really add nothing to the video, so I mean, I don't know. It's gonna be a short one. I didn't really have much to say besides that. Everything that happens to you happens for a reason, bro. Remember that. You're not a victim. You are what you make of your circumstances. Let's go, boys. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.